What if I told you that the difference between homes that age beautifully and homes that look worn down after just a few years has nothing to do with money or expensive products, but everything to do with 5 simple daily habits that take less than 10 minutes combined? What if you could future-proof your home right now so that in 5, 10, even 20 years, it still looks and feels fresh? I implemented these habits 2 years ago, and my home looks exactly like it did on day one. Stay with me, because this will transform how you think about home maintenance forever. The question nobody asks: have you ever walked into someone's home and immediately felt that it looked old and worn, even though you knew they'd only lived there a few years? Faded surfaces, dull fixtures, stained countertops, a general dingy appearance that screams neglect. Then you visit another home that's been lived in for 20 years, but somehow still feels fresh and well-maintained. You wonder, what's the difference? How do some people keep their homes looking new, while others seem to age their homes rapidly? The answer isn't wealth. It's not professional services. It's not even about how much time they spend cleaning. It's about specific habits that protect instead of just clean. The 5 habits that change everything. Habit 1. Immediate spill cleanup, not later. Not after you finish eating. Immediately. Liquids seep into surfaces and cause permanent staining within minutes. Coffee on countertops, wine on carpets, oil on stovetops. The longer they sit, the deeper they penetrate. Since implementing this rule, I haven't had a single permanent stain in 2 years. Every surface looks pristine because I never let anything set. Habit 2. Use Trivets and coasters religiously. This sounds obvious, but most people get lazy about it. Hot pans directly on countertops cause discoloration and damage sealants. Glasses without coasters leave water rings on wood. I keep Trivets and coasters everywhere, within arm's reach. No exceptions. My countertops and furniture look factory new because they've never experienced direct heat or moisture damage. Habit 3. Dry sinks and faucets after every use. Water spots and mineral deposits are what make sinks and fixtures look old. When you dry them immediately after use, water never has a chance to evaporate and leave deposits. I keep a small towel by each sink. The stunning long-term results. Here's what 2 years of these habits looks like in real numbers. My granite countertops, 0 stains, 0 etching. They look identical to installation day. My wooden furniture, no water rings, no heat marks, no scratches. My floors, no visible wear patterns despite daily use. My fixtures, shiny and spot-free, no mineral buildup. The cumulative effect is a home that legitimately looks brand new despite 2 years of full-time living. Compare this to my previous apartment, where I cleaned regularly but didn't practice these protective habits. After 2 years, that place looked 5 years old. Countertops had permanent stains, floors showed heavy wear, fixtures were dull and spotted. I spent more time cleaning reactively there than I spend on these preventive habits now, and the results aren't even comparable. Prevention wins every single time. The investment that pays forever. These 5 habits take maybe 10 minutes daily combined. 10 minutes to protect thousands of dollars worth of home fixtures and finishes. When you frame it that way, it's the smartest investment you can possibly make. You're not just maintaining cleanliness, you're preserving value. You're ensuring that when you eventually move or renovate, everything is still in excellent condition. You're future-proofing your entire living environment. There it is. Here are 5 simple habits that future-proof your home. Immediate spill cleanup, Trivets and coasters always, dry sinks after use, shoes-off policy, and monthly protective treatments. If this just showed you how to keep your home looking new for years, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and turn on notifications for more long-term home care wisdom. Share this with anyone who wants their home to age beautifully. Comment which habit you're starting today. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay proactive, protect daily, and enjoy a home that never ages.